Yes, you can make money online with affiliate marketing using Selar and Facebook. First, subscribe to your Seller affiliate plan. Select a product. For example, I type YouTube group course. So in this example, I'm going to be promoting a course that teaches people how to grow on YouTube up to monetization. So after you selected your product, get your link, click on that, click on where it says get link, and it's going to give you your unique affiliate link that you earn commissions on whenever someone buys a product through your affiliate link. So copy your affiliate link. After you copied your affiliate link, go over to Facebook, right? Once you get to Facebook, what you will do is click on where it says search at the top of the page, then search for groups that are related to the kind of course you're promoting. For example, I'm promoting a course that will teach people how to grow a YouTube channel. So I'm going to search for grow YouTube channel fast. Click search and then click on groups. It's going to give you a list of many groups that talks about how to grow a YouTube channel here on Facebook. So what you do is go ahead and join all these groups. Join all these groups that have many members in it. For example, the second group here has 180,000 members. Join those groups. Scroll down and you find groups that have many members, thousands of members in them, and keep joining all of them until you join a lot of them, like 10 or more. Alright, for example, I'm going to click on this one that I already joined, and I'm going to show you what you would do. Click on where it says write something, and then type something like I have a way that you can grow your YouTube channel fast. If you want to grow faster to YouTube monetization, let me know in the comments below. Then click on post. What's going to happen is when someone sees this post in this group, they are going to pick interest in it because they have a YouTube channel which is struggling and they want to grow it. So they'll be interested in this kind of post. They want to comment under your post saying I'm interested, where's the offer, I want to join. So what you do after they've commented all those things, after they showed interest in your offer, what you do next is private chat them and then send them your affiliate link, and whenever they buy that product through your affiliate link, you're going to be earning 40% of every amount of money they spent on that product. For example, that product I talked about is selling for 39,950. That's like 40,000 naira, and this offer has a commission of 40%. All right, so once you sell this product, you're going to be getting 20,000 naira in affiliate commissions for selling this product. So that's it. If you want to see a detailed video on how I do this, select a product, create a landing page using system.io where you can host your affiliate link, and then how to create your own Facebook group or Facebook page and promote your product there and make commissions every day while people buy through your affiliate link. Let me know in the comment section below and I will make a detailed tutorial on how to make